Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing. Chapter 1. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing from the console. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Terminal Admin, click Yes to open it. Now run a scan of the file system. Run the command sfc scanno/, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for the file system to be scanned. You can see that there are no errors when you open the File Explorer. Chapter 2. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing using Control Panel. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Click on Control Panel. There, click on File Explorer Options. After that, in the Open File Explorer for fields, set this PC, then click Clear, apply the changes. Confirm that you have access to the File Explorer without any errors. Chapter 3. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing updating system. To get started, open Start and select Settings. After this, in Windows Update, confirm if there are updates available for Windows. You can open File Explorer as normal. Chapter 4. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing restarting Explorer. To start, right-click on Start and click on Task Manager. Now select Windows Explorer. Once you have it selected, click on Restart Task. You will wait for the system environment to load. Confirm that you open File Explorer. Chapter 5. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing from PowerShell. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes to open the terminal. After that, execute the command on the screen. Press Enter. You must wait for the system image to be analyzed. When finished, open File Explorer without errors. Chapter 6. How to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing resetting apps. To use this step, click Start and select Settings. Here, under Apps, click on Default Apps. After that, at the bottom, you are going to click on Reset, select OK, and wait for this process to finish. As you can see, the File Explorer opens without errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.